Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable books to download via cellular data on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Books. So we go down and tap on Books, should be somewhere in here. Next, in the Books setting page, go down and tap on Cellular Data. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on cellular data usage. And that's it. Once this is switched on, you can download books using cellular data or mobile data. And after that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.